Good day, friends. I hope you are doing well. Today we have a 1060 from PNY, 6 GB card. This card actually has code 43. It hangs on post and displays no image. So we can safely assume that this card actually has memory problems. So I went ahead and ran the maths auto test. This maths test generates a report for all the memory modules which have errors. So let's go ahead and check the report. As you can see, we have errors on bank B1. We should ignore B0 because 33 is a glitch in the program. So we have errors on all the bits of the bank, which indicates that the bank is probably not attached or is severely damaged. And counting the banks from the bottom left, starting with A1, the third one should be B1. So I went ahead and replaced the bank. As you can see, there's some flux residue there, and we should now have no more errors on bank B1. So checking the chip for alignment under a microscope, as you can see, the chip is perfectly aligned, and I checked the BGA balls under the chip. They were all perfectly fine. After making sure that we have no short on the memory, I assembled the card and I'm checking if it has more errors in maths, which we don't have anymore. So the test is a pass, and I actually started mining on it. The cooler is not installed yet, but we will install it later. So here's our result from mining on it. We actually have a good hash rate, which indicates we have good memory and no more errors. This is the temperature without the fans, and here's the card running in Windows with an image. And here we are running a game. This is Dota 2, one of my favorite games. As you can see, we don't have any artifacts or glitches or any bugs. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope you found the information useful, and good luck with your repairs. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.